In order to master a craft, you first need to master the basics, whether it's a sport, hobby or a skill. And when it comes to calisthenics, the same logic applies.
So the key to us improving our performance in any area of our life is identifying what those basics are, what those fundamentals are, and being relentlessly committed to performing them with consistency.
So today I'm going to explain to you what the basics are in calisthenics and why it's important for you to master them. So what are the basics and fundamentals of calisthenics? The basics and fundamentals of calisthenics revolve around mastering bodyweight movement that builds strength, control, endurance and mobility. So what are the core calisthenic movements? Well, these exercises target the major muscle groups and serve as a foundation for advanced skills. These include the upper body exercises such as push-ups, which targets your chest, shoulders and your triceps, pull-ups, which mainly works your back and biceps, rows, which target your back, biceps and your rear delts, and your dips, which builds your triceps, chest and your shoulders. There are also lower body exercises such as the squat, which strengthen your legs, your glutes. You have lunges, which is great for leg endurance, mobility and also leg development. So why is it important to master the basics? Mastering the basics of calisthenics is crucial because it builds a strong foundation for strength, control and injury prevention. They also build strength and endurance, so basic movements like the push-ups and pull-ups and the squats develop full body strength and muscular endurance, which are necessary for advanced skills like the handstands and muscle-ups. Improves body control and coordination. Since calisthenics relies on bodyweight exercises, mastering the basics helps you to develop balance, coordination and mind-muscle connection, which are key to progressing safely. Prevents injuries. Poor form leads to injuries, especially in joints like the wrists, shoulders and knees. Learning proper technique in fundamental exercises prevents overuse injuries and allows for long-term progress. Enhances mobility and flexibility. Many bodyweight movements require a good range of motion. Strengthening them through range of motion improves flexibility and mobility, making movements smoother and reducing stiffness. Prepares you for advanced skills and weighted calisthenics. Before attempting advanced movements like the planche, front lever or muscle-ups, you need a solid base. Also, if you want to add weight to your pull-ups and dips, you need to master the pull-ups and dips in its regular form with multiple reps. Develops functional strength. Calisthenics mimics real-life movements, improving your ability to push, pull and jump and balance efficiently. Unlike machines, it engages stabilizing muscles, making you stronger in practical everyday movements. Boosts confidence and motivation. Progressing through the basics gives you a sense of achievement, keeping you motivated to push further. Once you can do 20 push-ups or 10 pull-ups with perfect form, you'll feel ready to challenge yourself with harder variations. For example, if you're trying to unlock the one-arm push-up, starting from the easiest regression, such as the push-ups or knee push-ups, gives the body the opportunity to get used to the movement and to also develop the strength necessary and the CNS system to adapt before gradually increasing the difficulty. It's important to know that even if you do master the basics, you will still have to perform them regularly. For example, if you are training the deep ring push-ups, you still need to warm up with regular push-ups. It's always best to warm up with the regressed version to allow the motor units to prepare themselves for the hardest exercise and also to allow the joints to be lubricated. So don't rush into trying these fancy skills or even add weight to the movements that you see online on Instagram or TikTok. Focus on the fundamentals, then master the basics and everything else will come naturally. So if you're new to calisthenics, here's a beginner-friendly routine that you can start with. So there you have it guys, put this information to good use and I hope you guys liked the video. Please support the channel and I'll see you guys in the next one. I'm out.